Microsoft Teams is one of the products developed by Microsoft, which can be used for several education and business purposes. But if you're having some problems with it, such as you're having problems related to your hearing aids via Bluetooth, here are two solutions that you can try to resolve the problem. So first, launch the Microsoft Teams on your device and sign in with your account. Then, click on More Options or these three dots. Select Settings. Choose Devices. Then set the speaker and the microphone to your hearing aid and check if that resolved the problem. But if that did not work, you can try toggling some settings on your Phonak application. Do that by opening the application on your device. Click on the menu icon in the top right-hand corner. Click on My Hearing Aids. Select Bluetooth Phone Call. Choose Fixed Bandwidth. Then turn your hearing aids on and off to restart the device. And that's it. Those are the two ways that have hopefully resolved your problem with hearing aids on Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.